right now. June 2015, Wilmington, Ohio. We got tornado warning sirens going off now. Man, yeah, warning signal. Yeah, we've got a warnings going off right now.
Where is this cloud at?
Not yet visible. It may be straight line winds right now.
What do we do? Like stop the
Best bet, everybody's going inside now. If worst comes to worst, like I said, if everything comes worst to worst, the bathrooms and the kitchen area inside there are the safest areas. Right now I'm spotting for it, but I don't see anything as of yet.
I saw some shit over there.
You saw a rotation?
When we were sitting here, when we first pulled up, yeah, I saw it over there.
Yeah, that looks like the darkest area back there.
Shut up.
I don't have any communications right now. No. Got a lot of people here with parents and kids, so I don't want to cause a panic situation for the children. It's a warning now. Alright, sirens are going down. As of yet, I have no frontal cloud. I have no front cloud activity. But we do have darkened skies. And we did get a report of some spinning action lady just a second ago. But right now, we have no activity. Sirens went down, so everybody's gonna come in. We gotta probably have a couple of 10 to 100 people feeding in here this evening. And this is the Sugar Tree Ministries in Wilmington, Ohio.